Hi, I'm Chris Banks with Pyramid Analytics. The past 2 years have certainly been a challenge for every organization, and one industry that certainly got hit hard is manufacturing. According to Deloitte, record numbers of unfulfilled jobs have been posted, which will affect manufacturers' growth and productivity. How do you optimize performance with less labor? And then there's the supply chain. Manufacturers continue to face global disruptions that add unwanted costs and test their abilities to effectively adapt to any situation. How do you predict where problems will occur in your supply chain before it's too late? How do you gain insight into your supply chain so you can be proactive instead of reactive? Add to that the challenge with short-staffed logistics providers. Who are the best available? And how can I optimize logistics based on weather, based on labor shortage, fuel costs, or even rail costs? And lastly, inflation. Inflated costs of materials based on supply and demand can affect the cost of the product that you're making. Well, how does that work for the long-term contracts you have with your customers? Being able to predict price adjustments for future contracts is crucial for your survival. If these are some of the challenges that you're facing and your current BI or analytics solution is falling short in providing the insights that you need, well, have no fear. Pyramid Analytics is here. Pyramid has been ranked #1 by Bark, Dresner, and Gartner. In fact, we're ranked #1 in Gartner's 2021 Critical Capabilities Report for Visual Self-Service Analytics. Our decision intelligence platform with the most powerful direct query engine at its core uniquely combines the best of data prep, business analytics, and data science into a unified no-code decision-making experience with reliability, data governance, and security. We make it easy to scale to any data, anywhere, including your ERP, your CRM, your supply chain data, and your logistics data, whether it's on-prem, in the cloud, or a hybrid of the two. We meet the needs of any person, delivering intelligent insights to the C-suite, to the analysts, to the data scientists, to the frontline, and anyone in between, for any analytics needs that you possibly can have, from the simple to the sophisticated. Innovative manufacturers like Volkswagen, Dell, and Siemens trust our decision intelligence platform to provide intelligent insights to make data-driven decisions. We help you save time, cut costs, boost productivity, and better identify new revenue streams. If you really want to get serious about analytics, well, it's time for you to look at a serious analytics platform. For more information about Pyramid Analytics and the power of our decision intelligence platform, visit us on the web at www.pyramidanalytics.com.